Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about how you can get your marketing going for your business. This is absolutely amazing. It's one low, simple cost. It's $87, and you get, I need to find my notebook, but you can get SMS marketing. You could do landing pages, websites, opt-in pages. I guess I could look on the left-hand side here. Websites, online ads, social marketing, SMS marketing, opt-in pages. I don't know. What else do you need for your business? Let's not get overwhelmed because I want to show you there is so much training right here in this amazing system. Today, I'm going to show you how you can have a done-for-you system right here in Nowsite. So, feels like my earring just fell off. And here you'll be able to have done for you opportunities for landing pages, flyers, videos, and automation for your business. It's already done for you, and right now it's only $19 per month to have those funnels done for you, videos, a landing page, and take you directly to your opportunity to get people looking at your business. Right here, we do have quite a few done for you opportunities, but constantly growing. So here you can see on the list, we have Unique, ACN, Worldwide Ventures, Young Living, Ambit, Isagenix, Tradera, Mary Kay, 𝗬𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏, LifeVantage, Organo, Legalshield, 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗏, 𝗵𝗵𝗁𝗃, and Epic Walkthrough. So this is just a matter of getting started, but if you didn't want to use it done for you, you can do it yourself. So that's what's amazing about this opportunity. You'll see on the far left-hand side, you have analytics, online ads, websites, email campaigns, social campaigns, SMS marketing, your contacts, teams, content, and affiliate program. You can click on here and get tons of training when you join me. I can show you how to do a step-by-step opportunity, and if I wouldn't talk so fast, I might be able to get this out. But I get so excited and I want to be able to show you how to do this. So right here you can go ahead and click on the training when you get started. We have funnel building, we have marketing presentations, social marketing, websites, training videos, email campaigns, website building, SMS launch videos, traffic secrets, lead magnets, sales funnels, six-figure secrets, social images, running an affiliate campaign with the lead magnet. We all need to learn how to do that. Nowsite logos, an opportunity funnel, website, training pages and examples, getting started, videos, and your very own ebook. How much more do you need? If you don't know how to get started, this is one thing that will hold you back because it's so overwhelming. But if you take it just like one step at a time, this allows you to get started, have it done for you, go ahead and make your own pages. You can do all kinds of things. I'll click on my websites. I love making the websites. They're simple and easy. Here you can make them for any program. If you're doing JVZoo, ClickBank, you're working a different opportunity, you're doing an ebook, whatever you're doing, this is all here for you. So here you can see I do the power lead system. I was doing the six-figure stamp club. I was doing eyelashes. I do TechSpot. I do Vox Life. I do all kinds of things that allow me to use this system and be able to promote and market wherever I want. We also have our own business out in the brick and mortar. So we do have the Rulon's window tinting, and here I can put all that information here. Right here, I can do any opportunity. I can do a work at home opportunity. I can do Impact Mailing Club. I can do Black Friday events. I can do advertising. I can do Rakuten, teaching people how to get cash back. There's all kinds of things. Craigslist Learning, whatever you're teaching, this would be able to give you those pages to get people to those trainings and have those trainings working for you automatically and just going through the process. So right here will give you any type of things. Right here is that is a ClickBank offer. I do the phone sales robot. And you can see it goes on and on. There's digital, there's text bot, there's advertising, there's my own page, there's marketing, anything you want. And this allows you to do affiliate programs that allow you to get paid in multiple directions and all kinds of money coming in from all different directions. We all need residual income because we all have residual bills. So it's time to get started on that residual income. On the far left-hand side, I don't know my right and left today, you will see that this becomes with an affiliate program. If you want to make your marketing free, it only takes 3 people. 3 people to have your marketing free right here with Nowsite. If you have any questions, anything I can answer, please do comment down below. Right now I'm going to go ahead and add an all done for you video, and let's get started. Let me know what questions you have. Go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video, and bye for now.
Welcome to Nowsite, the most complete automated online marketing system for direct sales and network marketers. I'd like to give you a quick tour of the platform and show you how to finish setting up your account. In about 3 minutes, you'll be ready to start marketing online like a pro. By the way, if you ever want to watch this video again, or if you have any questions, just click the blue support button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Let's start in the website section, where we've optimized 2 great sales funnels for Legalshield. The first sales funnel is all about Legalshield's products. It starts with a compelling lead capture form that captures the prospect's contact information. This page has already been set up to lead to a second page where we share videos and other information about Legalshield. This second page has buttons that will take your prospects to Legalshield's main website. You're going to want to make sure your affiliate link is set up correctly. To do this, click Edit on the website. Click the Edit button on the left side menu. Scroll down to the first button and click on that section. On the left side, make sure that the redirect site has your correct affiliate link. If you need to make a change, go ahead, then just click on OK and save and exit. The second sales funnel is all about Legalshield's business opportunity. It starts with a clear, persuasive lead capture form and is already linked to a website that describes Legalshield's compensation plan. Once again, let's make sure your affiliate link is set up properly. Again, click Edit on the website. Click the Edit button on the left side menu. Scroll down to the first button and click on that section. On the left side, make sure that the redirect site has your correct affiliate link. If you need to make a change, go ahead, change it, click on OK, and save and exit. Both of these sales funnels are ready to go. You can customize the URL if you wish, or you can start sharing the link to the first page of these sales funnels on social media or over email and text message. You can customize any other part of these funnels anytime you like by clicking on the Edit button and using our simple drag and drop interface. And you can create as many additional landing pages and websites as you wish. When a prospect enters their contact information, they will be automatically added to your contact section, and they will begin to receive a 10-day email series that is already hooked up and ready to go. To see the email campaign for yourself, click on the email section. Here you'll find a pre-built 10-day email campaign for Legalshield all ready to go to help you automate your follow-up with your prospects. Again, these email campaigns are already connected to both sales funnels, but you are free to customize the campaigns or create new email campaigns anytime. Just click Edit and then open up the email you'd like to update. You can add buttons, images, links, and more. Your subscription includes 10,000 marketing emails per month to help ensure that your business stays top of mind with your prospects. Let's head over to the content section, where you'll see that we have already created dozens of social media posts that are ready for you to use on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. to help you attract interest in Legalshield's opportunity. Just download them and post on social media as always. Check back regularly. We'll keep adding fresh posts every month to drive even more engagement. Further down in the content section, you'll also find tons of great articles, videos, tools and training from top industry leaders, all available to you anytime you want to expand your sales, marketing, and networking skills. In our contact section, you'll have access to a simple but powerful customer relationship management system. You can import contacts, create and manage lists, and much more. In the analytics section, we are proud to give you the most complete, most intuitive marketing analytics available anywhere, so you can track not only your lead generation, but the engagement you have with each of your prospects across all platforms, your websites, your email campaigns, your blog, your Facebook account, with more integrations being added every month. When you're ready to start advertising online, just click online ads and we can provide you with the most proven ads to drive even more traffic to your Legalshield sales funnel, and we'll publish your ads across a network of over 1 million sites worldwide. Last but not least, we've already activated our proprietary AI-powered content engine on your primary sales funnel. Every day, our system will recommend relevant, popular articles, videos, and images about your business category for you to effortlessly post on social media, publish on your website's blog, and email to your prospects as a daily newsletter. We call it 3-click marketing, and it's an incredibly powerful way to attract interest in your business, and it's already set up and ready to go. We hope you've enjoyed this short tour of your new marketing system. To watch this video again, or if you ever need help, just click the blue support button in the bottom right corner. Our support team is here 7 days a week to answer all of your questions. You are now ready to get started marketing online like a pro. As a first step, we recommend that you click on social marketing and post the first article we recommend on your social media, and then start sharing your new sales funnels with your contacts. Thanks for watching, and here's to your online marketing success.